What if I told you that I have a superpower, and you do too? Well, rather, our cells have a superpower.
Within each of us, specifically in places like bone marrow, blood, muscle, and skin, there are stem cells. These cells divide into more cells that eventually become our tissues and organs.
There are two types of stem cells: pluripotent stem cells, which can divide to become any type of cell in the body,
Unlimited.
and adult stem cells, which are limited to becoming specialized cell types.
Our bodies naturally produce cells to replace the cells that are destroyed due to things like injury or disease.
Through a simple cheek swab, scientists are actually able to harvest stem cells, which they can use for a variety of different things.
Shinya Yamanaka discovered that by reactivating four specific genes in the adult stem cells, they can create pluripotent stem cells that can become anything.
Scientists harvest adult stem cells from places like patients' mouths, induce them, and place them in a dish to grow. Once induced, the adult stem cells, now pluripotent stem cells, have the ability to become cells within these three layers. The ectoderm becomes your outer layers, such as the skin and nervous system. The mesoderm becomes the middle layer, such as cells in your muscles, skeleton, and kidneys. And lastly, your endoderm develops into cells in your internal organs, such as your heart, lungs, and digestive tract. The endoderm is the hardest area of cells to recreate because they are the most complex cell types there. In order to achieve the specialized cells the scientists desire, they culture the cells using specific factors and culture techniques to do recapitulation of development and achieve the specific cell fate they desire. They can start with a small number of induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs, and end up with a large number of specialized cells. Now let's look at some examples. Pluripotent stem cells are being used to advance cancer research by allowing scientists to replicate tumors and test treatment options. They are also being used to actually grow organs and implant them in people. From a woman in Korea who received a trachea to mini organoid hearts and brains, the options with pluripotent stem cells are limitless. By donating to a stem cell bank, you could be a part of it. And who knows, maybe one day your cells could change someone's life.